Hello, look at this. Among all the penguins, there is a different one. What is that?
A seagull.
But what's in her mouth?
Well, actually, I don't think you know that it's a male or a female, but it's an egg.
Okay. The egg, I think it's from the penguin. But why it's in the seagull's mouth?
Oh, well, he stole it.
Oh, I think now it's trying to break it. It's hard to break.
The seagull's brother or sister once flew up and dropped the egg from the sky.
That's a very smart move.
But I'm guessing this egg is a bit too big for him to pick up.
Oh, it's flying. And now it's bricked. Now it can enjoy the egg. Oh, the penguin seems cannot do anything about it. The seagull is tasting the egg. You want to eat the egg with some sea water? No, the wave is coming. I'm running around. Oh, I do not want my dinner table to be wet. Okay. Seems you are the only one enjoying the egg. I'm really sorry for the penguins. The mother cannot see the baby chicks. Thank you for watching.